Hey everybody, welcome back everyone to another video here on Justin Garn. So today guys, we're going to do part 5 of this box right here, part 5. So again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So guys, we're going to rush today. We're going to do part 5. This is our 5th box that we are doing, part 5. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we're going to do something a little bit different. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and count our packs and we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with our first pack. Remember guys, we'll save our autographs and relics for last. Oops, okay. Got a Danica Patrick. Danica Patrick Classics. Nice Danica Patrick. Not numbered. Got a Mackenzie Blue. And it is numbered. 136 out of 299. Mackenzie Blue. 136. 136 out of 299. Mackenzie Blue. This is part 5 on the Jimmie Johnson autograph relic stuff hunt. Alright. See here what we can get out of our next pack. Called to the Hall. Called to the Hall, Rusty Wallace, elected in 2013. Called to the Hall, not numbered. Rusty Wallace. We got a Richard Petty, and this one is numbered. Remember guys, we pulled Richard Petty in part 4. And this is a gold right here. 203 out of 499, Richard Petty. Nice card, Richard Petty. And we got more base. Guys, I got a pile, guys, from part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. And now I'm starting a pile for part 5. Now, understand, people are thinking, why am I wearing gloves again? The reason is, guys, I'm wearing gloves because this pandemic and stuff going around, and I bought these boxes on blowout cards, and I don't want to take any chances of picking this up, but I did wash my hands before we got started. Daniel Hendrick Blue, 69 out of 299. Daniel Hendrick Blue, 69 out of 299. Daniel Hendrick. Chase Elliott, Darren Jr., Casey King, Greg Biffle. Next pack. It's going backwards. Richard Petty again. What is up with these Richard Pettys? Is this going to be a Richard Petty pack? Richard Petty, not numbered. Wrigler, back to the 84 design, not numbered. We already got a Richard Petty gold one and everything else, so. Okay, 2 packs left in this first row. And we get started with the second row. Daniel Suarez. Daniel Suarez, back to the 84 design. Not numbered. Alright, last pack. And in the first row, then we'll get started with the second row. I had to go stop and take care of something real quick. That's why I had to pause that time, guys. I had to run and take care of something real fast. Okay. Jeff Burton. Is this going to be numbered, or is this going to be... Okay. Very... Okay. I already done spoiled it. Alright, guys, I done spoiled the auto. So... Oh, man, that sucks. I already done spoiled it. I had no clue what it was, so... Alright, guys, so we are going to do some, guys, to speed up the process a little bit. We're going to take all these, cut these up. Now, because I have to be somewhere after I'm done with this video, so I was going to do it another time, but I'm not going to have time to do any more videos right after this, so I just get these cut up now. So I'm going to try to keep this video under 13 minutes, and I won't have time to do anything else. So let's get these couple more packs cut. And so got a couple more packs to cut, and so I hope you all are having a nice week, staying safe out there, and everything else. So let me get this mess fixed up, and then we'll get back to it. Okay, I apologize for that. I had to fix some stuff. So okay, let's get back to what we were doing. Alright, let's go ahead and start with this one. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing. Trackmasters, Matt Kenseth, Cracked Ice, and this one is numbered 284, no, 294 out of 999. Matt Kenseth, Trackmasters, 294 out of 999. Cracked Ice, Matt Kenseth. Great Biffle, the Biff, not numbered. What I did was, guys, to speed up the process a bit, I cut a bunch of these open so it would make it a whole lot easier for me. So we can try to keep this video under, because I'm trying to keep this video under because of my memory and stuff like that. My memory's only good for high as 15 minutes in this video, so on this one, so but yeah, this is part 5, so let me go ahead and open this one and we'll go ahead and see what we get. Okay, let's see what we get out of this one here. Okay. Pole position, Chase Elliott, not numbered. Top tier, Martin Truex Jr. Not numbered. But yeah, don't worry guys, I will be doing a separate video after we find the Jimmie Johnson autograph relic. The way it's going, if we find a Jimmie Johnson relic, then the only thing we need to find is an autograph. Which... Matty D, green. 179 out of 199. Matt Dimmiddle, green. Matty D, 179 out of 199. Green. More base. Cole Edwards. Race Kings. Cole Edwards. Not numbered. That's a nice Cole Edwards Race Kings. See what we get out of this one. To me, guys, that's our first Jimmie Johnson card we've seen today. Alex Bowman, 84 design. That's our second time in my life I've seen that one. To me, guys, that's our first Jimmie Johnson card that we have pulled today. I realize that. That's our first Jimmie. Now that's our second one that we pulled. Okay, who is this? Oh, Danica Patrick. Back to the 84 design. Danica Patrick. Back to the 84 design. Jr. See what we get out of this stack. I think this is a Kevin Harvick. Kevin Harvick, gold. 242 out of 499. Kevin Harvick. Gold. 242 out of 499. Kevin Harvick. Alright guys, if we could pull a Jimmie Johnson relic, then the only thing we need to find is our auto. Which I'm willing to keep going until we find the autograph. Don't worry guys, we'll have it part 6. Hopefully guys, part 6 we will have it. Then we'll be doing a preview video showing you guys everything of all the hits we got and all the number cards, Race Kings, everything all on a separate video. So let me go ahead guys, get some of these packs open and then we'll go ahead and finish this up here. I know, guys, I just cannot believe. Part 3, we pulled a Dale Earnhardt Jr. autograph and relic. And then we pulled a Dale Jr. relic, the first one out of 99. Gold. For Dale Earnhardt Jr. out of that in Part 4. Alright, that one wants to be a pain, so... Let's see what we get out of this one. Got a Jimmie. Darrell Waltrip. Wow. Got it. That's a nice Darrell Waltrip. Darrell Waltrip. 246 out of 999. The Elite Series. Darrell Waltrip. Race Queens again. Danica Patrick. That's our second time we pulled it. And more base. More base. See what we get here out of this one. Bill Elliott. This one is numbered. 787 out of 999. Bill Elliott Classics. Cracked Ice. 787 out of 999. Cracked ice. Bill Elliott. Jimmie Johnson, 7-time champ. That's my second time pulling this one. Nice Jimmie Johnson. And more base. Whoa. Oh, I thought that was a Jimmie Johnson for a second. I didn't read it carefully. Junior Johnson, 11 out of 199 green. Jared Johnson. I thought we had a Jimmie Johnson there, but hey, that's okay. Junior Johnson's still good anyway. Still good. But hey, at least we're getting some good cards out of this one. A moment ago, we were not going to pull any Jimmie cards, and we pulled a couple, so. Cole Custer for Junior Motorsports. Donruss, rated rookie. Cole Custer. Back when he drove for Junior Motorsports in the Truck Series. More of those. We got our last stack, and then we'll go through the rest of those packs really quick. Ryan Newman, Race Kings. Not numbered. Kevin Hart. Okay. We just got these packs left. We got 2 packs left. And then we'll get to our relics and our auto, and then we'll get out of here. Because I got stuff to do today. I got big plans. About time recording this video, so we'll see what we get in this one, and then we'll go ahead and go on and get out of here. You know what, guys? I think we might already know who the auto is, but Austin Dillon, gold, 266 out of 499. Austin Dillon, gold. Okay, let's see what we get out of this one. Okay. Denny Halem, top tier. 279 out of 999. Cracked ice. Carl Edwards, back to the 84 design. Another Jimmie. Alright, guys, we got 2 stacks left. Let's finish this up really quick. Jimmie Johnson, speed. That's my second time pulling this one. Nice Jimmie Johnson, speed. Jay McMurray, back to the 84 design. We already done pulled this one, so no use to see it again. Okay, guys, we got our last stack, and then we will see who our relics are and our autos, and then we will classics. Kyle Petty. Classics. Kyle Petty. Not numbered. Bobby Labonte. And it's numbered gold. Race Kings gold. 146 out of 499 gold. Bobby Labonte. That's a nice Bobby Labonte gold. 146 out of 499. And Jimmie's our last one there. Okay. Now we got our 2 relics. Let's go ahead, guys. We're going to switch it up this time and see who the autograph is this time. We got a Ryan Newman base. Okay, who's our auto? Since I already done, I think on JB, Jeff Burton. Jeff Burton is our auto. It's a nice sticker auto. And it is numbered 22 out of 25. Jeff Burton, sticker auto. That's a very nice one right there. We'll put it on the screen, so. Okay, guys, we already done spoiled our auto. Alright, let's see what we can get here. and see what we can get here out of our last 2 packs. Alright, scissors. It's going to be the last time we're going to need you. Thank you all so much for being here. If you like seeing these card videos, make sure you drop a like. Also, hit that subscribe button. We will be doing part 6. And hopefully, guys, we can find a Jimmie Johnson autograph and relic. If we can find a Jimmie relic out of this one, then the only thing we need to find is an auto. Then we could complete our series. Then we'll go through all the hits I picked up and stuff. Todd Gillen. Team Penske right there, so we'll... Okay. Let's see what we get out of this one. Denny Hamlin again, Track Masters. What is up with these Denny Hamlin Track Masters? We'll save that right there for last. Okay, let's see who we get, and we got to get out of here. Track Masters, Denny Hamlin. And it's a Stewart-Haas driver. Danica Patrick. Okay, so this is a double relic. We got the regular relic of Danica Patrick. And we got a dual relic, Danica Patrick, not numbered. So, okay, so according to my memory, guys, I got 23 minutes, so I'm good. We'll finish this up real fast. Is it Brad Keselowski? Got a nice Todd Gillen. Brad Keselowski, that's our second Brad Keselowski fire suit we had pulled. Well, part 5 was okay. I think it was kind of more like a bummer in part 5. It was kind of more like a bummer. So, we pulled a Brad Keselowski piece of fire suit, not numbered. Well, my thoughts on part 5 of the box. It was okay. It was pretty good, actually. It was actually pretty good. There we go. So you... So... Definitely not what I was expecting, but hey, we'll take it. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. Got our Jeff Byrne 22 out of 25 auto. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Again, we'll see you guys next time for part 6. And hopefully this time with the part 6, we can pull a Jimmie Johnson autograph and relic. So anyway, thank you all. Stay safe. We'll see you next time.